So today we are going to do the notes for 3-5 using slope-intercept form, and this is day 2. So they want us to graph these equations using slope-intercept form. So the first thing that we have to do is make sure they are solved for y. So this first one is not. So we have to take 4x plus y equals 3 and subtract 4x from both sides. Solve it for y. So we get y equals negative 4x plus 3. Then we identify the slope and the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept, so b is 3. You begin at b, and the slope is in front of the x. So m is negative 4, and it's over 1. So we are going to begin at 3, which is the y-intercept, and then the slope is rise over run, or height over right, however you want to think about it. So we do the up and down movement first, and then we go to the right in this case. So it's negative, so our height is going to be down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go to the right 1. So height over right, or rise over run, and then we connect those 2 points. Remember, it has to be solved for y so we can find the proper slope and y-intercept. The next one, which is b, is already in slope-intercept form. It's already solved. So my b value is negative 1, and my slope is 3/4. So I'm going to start at negative 1, begin at b, begin, negative 1, and then I have height over right or rise over run, however you want to think of the slope. So I go up 1, 2, 3, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. This next one is a little bit tricky. There is no b value because there's no plus number here. So my b is equal to 0, and my slope is equal to negative 1, which is over 1. Anytime it's a whole number or an integer, it's over 1. In this case, it's an integer because it's negative. So I'm going to begin at 0, and then I go down 1, right 1. Height over right. Now when you go and look at these examples that they have, this is solved for y, so you're good. This is solved for y, so you're good. So you want to find the m and the b, the m and the b. On this one we have y equals negative 5, so it is going to be a horizontal line at negative 5, which is going to be down here. And then the other one on the next page that's a little bit different is this one here, which is x equals 0 and x equals 5. These are vertical lines. This one would be at x equals 5. And then the other ones are all in slope-intercept form in order to graph.